How do I become an investment banker? Investment bankers are a vital career in the banking industry which demands considerable analytical and mathematical skills. Investment bankers require an education in finance and economics and training to analyze financial markets. If you are ready to roll up your sleeves and learn how to become an investment banker, follow these steps. Earn a bachelor's degree. Investment bankers must have at least a bachelor's degree, usually in finance, economics, business administration, or a related field. It is important to choose a college or university that offers courses in finance and economic theory and how to do financial analysis. Take industry courses. Investment banks typically provide additional training for new hires, but taking some classes beforehand can demonstrate your seriousness about the job. Many companies offer such courses for a fee. Get internships. Internships in the industry provide valuable on-the-job experience and help to establish connections with people who can mentor you or give you advice. It is important to get internships while still in college, as they are hard to come by after graduation. Obtain professional certification. Banks often prefer to hire investment bankers with certain qualifications. Obtaining professional certifications such as a chartered financial analyst or chartered investment banking analyst can help you get your foot in the door. Develop your network. Networking with people in the industry is an important part of becoming an investment banker. Start building your network as soon as possible, attending events and making contacts who can give you advice or help you find a job. With dedication and hard work, you can become an investment banker and turn your passion for finance into a successful career. Aspiring investment bankers should be prepared to put in the time and effort necessary to make their dreams a reality. While pursuing your career in the investment industry, you should also expand and grow your assets through investing in other investment types, such as cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are one of the leading technology trends in the financial industry. They have gotten immensely popular over the last couple of years. If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies or any other investment, you should use technical analysis. Technical analysis is a tool that can help you better understand the markets and help you make the best possible investment. If you would like to try out a technical analysis program, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Ready to take your trading up a notch? Check out TradingView. This platform provides all the tools and resources you need for success, no matter where you're at. From rookie traders just getting started to veteran investors optimizing their strategies. There's never been an easier or more effective way to reach those goals, so don't delay any longer. Check out TradingView today. To learn more about stock trading, check out our previous video.